everybody! I'm here today to tell you and show you how to turn off Airpods when not being used. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see, these are Airpods, and there's actually no button or switch to turn them on or off. I think that this was done on purpose so that you wouldn't have to think about turning them on or off. There are automatic features that allow them to be turned on or off. So these are my wife's Airpods, and she wanted to know how to turn them off when she's not using them. So I did some research, and I'm going to bring that research to you in this video. So as you can see, they're in this case. When you open it up, you expose the Airpods. Now, to turn them on when you're dealing with the case, there's two ways, with the case and without the case. To turn them on, you simply pull them out of the case and they're engaged. When you want to turn them off, you simply put them back in the case and they turn off and start charging, okay? You can close it and all that stuff, but really for the most part, through my research, when you pull them out, they turn on. When you put them in the case, they turn off. So when you're not using them, if you want them to turn off and charge through the case, then just put them back in the case and close it and you're good to go, okay? Now, let's say you're dealing with them when they're not in the case. So you don't have your charging case with you, but you have your AirPods and you're using them, okay? So the cool thing about the AirPods is that they actually have an in-ear sensor, okay? So I'm gonna tell you about this in-ear sensor. It's something that senses when they're in your ears or not in your ears. So what you can do is, when you put them in your ear, they're automatically gonna engage and turn on and start working. So they're meant to be like, when you put them in, they automatically turn on basically and they start working. When you take them out of your ear, the in-ear sensor is gonna sense that they're not in your ear, and they're gonna eventually stop working and turn off, okay? So let's say you have music playing, you put them in your ear, it's gonna play. You take them out of your ear, the music is gonna stop, and eventually they'll turn off. So if you wanna turn them off when not being used, take them out of your ear, and do not put them back in your ear for a while, and they're gonna turn off. I don't know how long it takes for them to actually turn off. Through my research, I couldn't figure that out. But I do know that when you take them out of your ear, they stop working and then they turn off, right? So it's simple as that. When you're dealing with the case, if you wanna turn them off, you put them in the case. Simple as that. When you're not dealing with the case, you wanna turn them off, you take them out of your ear. That's how you deal with AirPods and how to turn them off when not being used. It's literally as simple as that. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.